Hi guys, so we're less than a week from Samsung's Unpacked event where they're gonna launch the S22 series and the Tab S8 series. We've gotten a lot of trailers from Samsung teasing the Spen integration in the S22 Ultra and the low light camera improvements. So in this video, we're gonna go over everything we know about the S22 Ultra and what you can expect from the next flagship device from Samsung. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So the Galaxy S22 Ultra is gonna be the successor to both the Note 20 Ultra and the S21 Ultra, and that's happening because Samsung got rid of the Note series to make room for its foldables, and to preserve the Note experience, they're merging the S and Note series together into one device, the S22 Ultra. It's gonna have S Pen support with an integrated S Pen just like the Note 20 Ultra. We've seen teasers from Samsung confirming the boxy design and the S Pen integration. It's also gonna have a boxy design like the Note 20 Ultra, as confirmed by a Verizon worker who got his hands on the S22 Ultra. It's gonna have a curved 6.8-inch Super AMOLED display with 2K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. It's gonna use the second generation LTPO technology, so the refresh rate can go as low as 1 Hz when necessary, which should help improve the battery performance. Speaking of the battery, it's gonna house a 5000 mAh capacity, which is the same as the S21 Ultra, but it's impressive because they managed to maintain the huge battery capacity while including the S Pen silo in the phone, so we can expect really good battery performance just like the S21 Ultra. And that's not all. It's gonna offer 45-watt fast charging support, which is about 10 to 15 minutes faster than Samsung's previous 45-watt charging solution. The display in combination with the S Pen is gonna offer a super natural writing experience with a 2.8 milliseconds delay. The S Pen is gonna come in black regardless of the color of the device, and the device is gonna be protected by the new Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, and will also have a new Armor aluminum frame that is set to be 10% stronger than the current aluminum used by Samsung. So it's gonna be the toughest Galaxy yet. On the back, it's gonna have 4 cameras seated almost flushed into the back panel, as described by the Verizon worker. The cameras are gonna be a main sensor with a 108 megapixel resolution with super clear lens for better image quality, and it's gonna be accompanied by a 12 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, a 10 megapixel periscope zoom lens, and a 10 megapixel 3x telephoto lens. There's also gonna be a flash and a laser autofocus system. On the front, it's gonna have a selfie camera with a 40 megapixel resolution and an f2.2 aperture. The S22 Ultra is gonna be available in 3 storage options, starting with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, and going all the way up to 16GB of RAM and 1TB of internal storage. But the 1TB variant will be available only in select regions, and unfortunately, it's not gonna have micro SD card expansion. The S22 Ultra will be available in 4 color options: white, black, green, and burgundy. For the pricing, it's gonna start at the same price as the S21 Ultra, so $1199 for the base model. But the base model is gonna have 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, as opposed to 12 and 256 on the S21 Ultra. So if you want more storage, you're gonna have to pay up. Anyway, be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more S22 updates. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.